Welcome to another video, folks. This train's going to Leeds, Northern Rail train.
Platform 1 of the 0944 Northern Service 2 Leeds via Barnsley, Wakefield Terminal, and Leeds.
158810. And on the back you've got 158788. This one's off to Liverpool, this one. Today's keyring is hidden on that lamppost at the far end. Can you see it up there? It's behind the sign where it says passengers must not cross the line. Absolutely pouring down with rain. This one's off to Norwich. Number 417. One 170417, that one. Who said it rains for 40 days and 40 nights? It's been raining since January the 1st, isn't it? When will the rain stop? Today's keyring is hidden behind the man on my sign with a red cross through him. You'll find a keyring there if you look.